the fact that we're a rural community, we are at the disadvantage of having an increase in shipping times. Using eShop allows us to be faster and a little bit easier. We don't feel at a disadvantage being in a smaller area or being far away from the big city. We don't feel any disadvantage at all. There's a slight delay in getting product to us. We miss out by about a day or 2 days, but we can live with that. We want people to feel that we're very involved to do our best for them. We want their trust, we want their confidence, but an important part of that is being able to make them relax. We now have incredibly powerful technological developments in hearing aids that make it a joy to fit hearing aids. This makes it easier to be efficient, and with eShop we think it's very beneficial to our office. We've been using it extensively for quite some time. We're pretty much all on board for eShop. All our clinicians like it because now they can order at their convenience. eShop allows us to basically make the ordering process very efficient, very timely. It takes them from A to B to C, so they make sure they don't forget anything. We also like the fact that errors are reduced. So when that client comes in to see us, we make sure that we have the right devices, we have the right accessories, we have the right options, and that helps to instill that trust and confidence.
Every time you come in and get something good?
To me, it's something that everybody would benefit from. To me, it's something that would make a clinic much more efficient, and it's better for the client.